Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. And today, let me introduce you the Sunavo HP-06 portable electric hot plate. It is an cooktop for, of course, cooking. And it is in this case, it's a double electric hot plate burner. It is available in a single hot plate too. But I like it bigger, so I bought the double thing. So 1800 watt power. It is adjust with variable temperature controllers. It is a tabletop hot plate. It is made of stainless steel, scratch resistant, and of course, it is silver. This is a newest addition to its range of hot plates. Small and light. I think it's 2 kilograms. This hot plate is ideal for student accommodations, office use, camping. I will use it in camping, parties, RVs, traveling, or as an extra cooking utensil in your kitchen. Because of its convenient size, it can easily be used in confined spaces or in your room too. 2 heating plates for only you. This hot plate is equipped with 2 heating plates. The large plate size is 18.5 centimeters. The power of the large is 900 watt. The small plate size is 15.5 centimeters, and there is a power 900 watt too. Both plates can be used conveniently at the same time. Use them for heating sauces, cooking soup, boiling water, cooking pasta, and so more. You can cook everything on these plates, like a plate in your kitchen too. The hot plate surface around the heating plates heats up when in use. This is a little bit important, you have to know. Do not touch the panel directly with your hands. Use gloves for safety. Suitable for all types of cookware. Like induction cookers that requires a magnetic cooking pot. These hot plates can be used with any and all types of cooking ware in your home, such as aluminum pans, copper pans, cast iron frying pans, and non-magnetic stainless steel pans. Also compared to induction cookers, this hot plate is safe to use and emits no harmful radiations. And of course, it is durable and easy to clean. The temperature is regulated by a thermostat, and the hot plate features an automatic shutdown safety feature if it has a malfunction. To avoid damage or injury, the stainless steel body is easy to clean and durable. Do not use an abrasive product when cleaning, as they may scratch or damage the device. And of course, it is easy to use. Only you can use the plug to plug in your power supply, and then you're ready. And of course, there's a travel adapter, so you can use it in different, not languages, in different areas like America, Great Britain, etc. The cooking plain stainless steel surface is durable, easy to clean, and can withstand long-term uses. And you have 2 temperature control units. With a rotating knob, you can easily control the temperature on the cooking plate from minimum to maximum. And you have on the downside, you have the non-slip feet. Rubber non-slip feet at the bottom area of the cooking plates ensure stability and prevent it from moving on tabletops. And of course, the cleaning rack included, along with the hot plate. In this hot plates is included a free rack to keep the hot plate spotless and clean. Oh, this looks easy, this looks nice and hot. It is a multi-purpose hot plate. It's the ideal cooking utensil for everyday use. It is ideal for student accommodations, office, camping, parties, and all around the earth because of the travel adapter. It is a compact design It allows it to be stored away when not in use. The plate features 2 cooking rings, which can be used independently or at the same time, offering more easy using time for you. The plate's stainless steel body is easy to clean and can withstand long-term use. If you have a glass surface, it can scratch fast. It can damage fast if it drops the floor. In this case, it will not break so far. The hot plate also features an auto shutdown safety feature for additional safety. Oh yeah, this is the reliable thing. You can use it at you everywhere you like to use it. 100 centimeters length power cable, non-slip feet is in there, and of course works with all types of cookware. And it is easy to clean, and you can buy it. I bought it in double version, but you can buy it in a single version too. So I think it's a classic and easy to use electric hot plate. So enough power is inside, 1800 watt power. This is enough to get your pasta warm. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.